Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the tenorshare channel. If you encounter the frustrating 4013 error code while using iTunes to restore or update your device, causing the device to be stuck on the reset screen, display the Apple logo, or enter recovery mode, don't worry. In today's video, we will guide you on how to fix the iTunes 4013 error and get your device back to normal. Let's get started. Method 1. Force restart your iPhone. Force restarting is a relatively effective method. The procedure is, quickly press and release the volume up button. Then press the volume down button and then hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. If this method does not work, you can use the second method, which is to repair your iPhone using Apple devices. Method 2. Use Apple devices to repair iPhone. If your initial attempt to fix your iPhone was unsuccessful, you can still use Apple devices to resolve the issue. First, connect your iPhone to a computer and enter recovery mode by pressing and releasing the volume up button, then pressing the volume down button, and finally holding the power button until the recovery mode screen appears. Open Apple devices, which will prompt you to update or restore your iPhone. If you want to update the system, choose Update. If you do not want to update, choose Restore. Here, we click Restore, then follow the prompts on the Apple device to download the appropriate firmware for system repair. However, errors or data loss may occur during this process, so I recommend using a more efficient method. Method 3. Repair iPhone with ReiBoot. If the problem persists, you can use ReiBoot. ReiBoot is a specialized iOS system repair software that can resolve over 150 system issues without affecting your data. It provides a simple solution for common problems, and you can get the official ReiBoot download link below the video. First, connect your iPhone to the computer. Then enter recovery mode by pressing and releasing the volume up and volume down buttons, then holding the power button until the device enters recovery mode. Open ReiBoot and click the Start Repair button. Choose Standard Repair. The system will download the appropriate firmware. Just wait for the process to complete. Then click Start Repair, and the software will automatically fix any system issues. The process takes about 10 minutes. After the repair is complete, your iPhone will function normally without losing any data. Method 4. Contact Apple support. If none of this helps, it may be due to hardware damage. At this point, you have the option of contacting Apple support for a proper diagnosis. They can check if there is any missing hardware. Therefore, it is necessary to visit the Apple website to make an appointment for further help. If you found this video helpful, we kindly request your support by liking and subscribing to our channel. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment below, and we will be more than happy to assist you. Until the next video.